Look,
what's wrong with her?
you touch your booty too. No. I gotta do that shit to Curry. Is it working? Does this work for adults?
She only 18.
Huh? Is it working? Oh, this is fun. But that's why I gotta patch you. You know what I'm saying? All you do is just patch it. Oh.
What is wrong with her?
Maybe you just need to relax.